Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A13 from Metro by T-Mobile. So do keep in mind that this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13. Metro also offers the Galaxy A13 5G for a bit more, so do keep that in mind. So this is the 4G version that we're looking at here. So if you guys want the 5G version of the Galaxy A13, it will have Galaxy A13 5G in the name, so you guys know the difference between the two. So this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13, like I said. It's available now in black. You guys have 32 gigabytes of storage there. So yeah. So it's $9.99 if you're porting into Metro, so not bad for $10. You know, this is like a budget phone here. So yeah, the full retail price $199.99. So yeah, if you guys can get this phone for $10, go for it. So if you need a new number, it's $10. If you're porting your number over to Metro, it is free actually, so not bad for a free phone. So pretty cool. So this is what the Galaxy A13 looks like here. Yeah, you guys have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. You guys know what the phone looks like here, specs and all that. So yeah. The left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Galaxy A13 is your, I think you have 4 cameras on this phone here, so you do have 4 cameras on here, so pretty cool. So you do have a depth sensor, wide angle lens, and I think a macro camera, so pretty cool. And you yeah. So the features on the Galaxy A13 is a quad camera system with 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera. So you have a 50 megapixel main camera, ultra wide lens, I think a macro lens, and a depth sensor on the rear. So pretty cool. 50 hours of talk time, 17.5 days of standby time. Screen is a 6.6 inch full HD plus Infinity V LCD display. So this is an LCD panel. So nothing special with that. The resolution is 2048 by 1080 pixels. Other features of the Galaxy A13: long-lasting battery, delivery speed and dependability, expandable storage, versatile camera experience, infinity display, modern design, privacy and security. G love mode. So it says here, which is fitted with exactly what you need to stay connected. A long-lasting battery to keep you going. The multi-lens camera makes capturing and sharing your moments a breeze, and its infinity display lets you play back all your favorite memories in HD plus. It's full HD plus. It says full HD plus on the spec sheet, but it says HD plus here, so kind of interesting there. It's all you need at a price you'll love. So specs on the Galaxy A13, like I said, this is the 4G version of the Galaxy A13. So to keep that in mind, you do have a board headphone jack, which is nice to have. Connectivity options are Wi-Fi 8 at 211 ABGN and AC, LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC. It says 5G on there, but I guess they probably copy and paste the specs from the Galaxy A13 5G, so they probably copy and paste the specs. But whatever, you guys have a Exynos A50 processor, Android 12 for One UI 4.0, I believe. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of micro SD expansion, 4G LTE. There is no 5G on this particular model, but like I said, Metro does offer the 5G version for a bit more. So if you guys want the Galaxy A13 5G, just look for it exactly the way it sounds. It will have 5G on it. If it has 5G on it, if it has 5G in the name, it does have 5G. Alright, so do keep that in mind. So this one's the 4G version. So do keep that in mind. 4G LTE, like I said, hearing aid, weather, wireless emergency alerts, mobile hotspot, frequencies, weight 6.88 ounces for the Galaxy A13. Length is the depth is 0.35 inches, height 6.5 inches, width 3 inches. Alright. Comes in the box is the Galaxy A13 smartphone, Type-C to Type-C cable, SIM ejection pin, quick start guide, terms and conditions. Alright. So yeah, so if you guys are looking to get a budget smartphone, the Galaxy A13 is worth checking out here. It does have very nice specs, very nice looking phone. Do keep in mind that this is the 4G version. As I keep saying, that this is the 4G version only. There is no 5G on this particular model. However, if you guys want the 5G version of this phone, Metro does offer that for a bit more, and it will have 5G in its name. So yeah, that's how you guys can tell the difference. This one doesn't have 5G nowhere on it. So this is the Galaxy A13 4G. So yeah, I know some of you guys might be confused by it, and I totally get that. It's only the 4G version doesn't. You guys know the difference. If you guys want the 5G version, it will have 5G in its name. So yeah guys, so very nice looking frame, pretty good specs for what it is, not bad for $10 if you guys need a new number, and it's free if you guys support the Metro. So pretty cool there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up guys, it blesses me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.